Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to make story highlights on Instagram. It's a very simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. So once you open up your Instagram, you will see that if you click on the bottom right corner and go into your profile, you will see story highlights. Now you will see a new button like this if you haven't posted a highlight yet. This example thing right here is a highlight. I'll click on it to show you what there is there in it. It's just an example. So this is how a highlight works. It is basically a story of yours that has been highlighted to be viewed for the entirety of your profile, which means it will stay there even after the 24-hour period that is allotted for a story. Now, how do you add or create new story highlights? You can either do that by clicking on this plus button which says new. Just click on this and it will give you all of the options that you have. You can create a highlight with any of these. So let's say I want to highlight for this turtle story right here. I click on it, click on next, and you can add a title for this highlight. I'll put in turtle and click on done. And after this, you will see that we have now created a story highlight on our Instagram. You can even change the picture or the cover picture of this highlight. Just long press on the image, click on edit highlight. And after this, you will get an option, change the cover by clicking on this button where it says edit cover. Now, the other way to do this is to go ahead and click on your story. Let's say you have posted the story today and you want to add it as a highlight. Just click on this highlight button on the bottom right corner and add it to an existing highlight. Like you can see that we have created a turtle highlight. So we can add things to this highlight, or we can even create a new one and add it there. I'll for now just add it in turtle, and once that is done, once the story vanishes, the highlight will stay on our profile. Yeah, that was pretty much it on how to make story highlights on Instagram. Hope you guys got the idea, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.